Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Maclaire and today I'm going to take you through on how you can create a logo for your tech channel. Before we continue, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps in the growth of the channel. I really appreciate if you do that. Anyways, first, so that you can create a logo for your tech channel, we need to come up with the name of the tech channel so that it can sort of have a synchrony on it. Anyways, get into your Gemini AI. You can download the app on the Play Store and you'll be ready to go. Anyways, as you can see on my screen, I have already downloaded the app and it's launched. So first, we're going to type a prompt to the AI requesting for different types of tech channel names. So go and type in your prompt. It's just gonna be easy, a very simple prompt, not very hard. Yeah, just quickly then we'll see how it goes. So for us, let's just type in whatever we want to search. We're gonna tell Gemini that we want to start. Let's just be specific. We don't have a tech channel already, so we want to start. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna tell Gemini that we want to start a tech channel and we need a name. Yes, we need a name for the channel. We're not gonna tell Gemini that we want a logo. We're just gonna say we need different types of names, around 10. Then if we don't get impressed by any of the 10, we're gonna generate other 10 until we find the name of our likings. Anyways, that's what you're gonna search for first, then we're gonna see how it goes. So select the first one, the first part, then go on thinking, then type in hello. So this is what you're gonna write to Gemini so that it can come up with different types of names. So we're gonna finish up with give me different types of names you think you think are great for me. Then I choose. Then I'll choose. Just like that. Then let's say how it will be. Hello, I'm starting a tech YouTube channel and I need a cool name that will be easy to remember and it will be professional. I want the name to stand out. Give me different types of names you think are great for me, then I'll choose one. Let's now send our prompt to Gemini, then we'll see the different types of names that Gemini will come up with. Yeah, as you can see, Gemini has come up with different types of names. So let's read from the first. That's an exciting move. The tech space on YouTube is crowded, so having a name that balances professionalism with a hook is key. You want something that sounds like a legitimate brand but easy enough for someone to type it into a search bar after hearing it once. Here are a few different vibes to help you find the right fit. So the first, sleek and minimalist, punchy and modern. These are short, 1 to 2 symbol names that feel like high-end setup. Remember guys, when you're starting a tech channel, you need to come up with a name that's easy for an audience to remember, so that when they need something, they'll just remember, so and so has great videos, so they can just type it in. If you come up with a name that's hard, people won't remember it well. So you need to come up with a name that's easy or very, very easy to remember, so that it can stand out from other channels. So here, these are short names that Gemini has come up with. So let's read the first one. First one is Nexus Tech. The second is Core Logic. 2 is Vantage. 3, the Shift. 4, Sync. Wait. And the last one is Apex Digital. So if any of the ones which are above has a fit your need, then you can choose from that. Anyways, the second, the authority, professional and trustworthy. So this sounds like a go-to source for news, reviews, and deep dives. Remember, it depends with the kind of channel that you want. If you want a channel for reviewing mobile phones, you'll need a name that stands out in that area. If you need a name that you do reviews on most of tech gadgets like headphones, mobile phones, smartwatches, and all those things, you need to find a name that sort of dominates in that space. Other thing, if you need a name or a tech channel name that or your YouTube channel is about doing tech repairs of mobile phones, laptops, already you need to look for a name that specifically in that criteria. Remember that. Don't choose a name that maybe for mobile phone, or hence like something like that. Don't do that. You need to be very, very careful when you're choosing a name for your channel, because these now will be your brand. And these, if you hit the mark of 100,000 plus subscribers, this is actually the name that will be placed on your silver plate. Remember that. Anyways, so the names, as you can see, that Gemini has come up with in the authority is Tech Standard, the Digital Brief, Foundry Tech, Systematic, Protocol Tech, Instinct Lab. So you can choose if any of these falls into your area. The next, futurist, forward thinking and bold. In your channel is, if your channel is about the next big thing or cutting edge gadgets, these work well. Horizon Tech, Neutral Pulse, Silicon Vector, Future Logic, Quantum Gear, or Velocity Tech. Those, you can choose one of those. Action oriented, engaging, and high energy. This name suggests that you are actually doing something: building, breaking down, or testing. Tech Unbound, the spec sheet Wow. Hardware hero, circuit break, launchpad tech, the render. Yeah. Which to pick? The one. Before you commit, run your favorite through these quick checklist. The Siri Alexa test. Say it out loud. Does the AI understand you? If it is hard to pronounce, it is hard to remember. Remember that. Remember that. If it's hard to pronounce, then it's hard to remember. Remember that. The handle check. If the name is the name available or a chosen variation on YouTube, X, or Instagram. So remember, if you choose a name and it's not available on YouTube, because you'll have to type it in, then YouTube loads and see if the name is available. If it's not, then you'll need to come up with another. So you need to try it first on your channel to see if it exists so that you can come and create a logo. Remember that, please. Yeah. The handle check. Is the name no, that we already read. A visual potential. Can you see a cool logo for this name? Nexus leads itself to a connected dot. Core suggestion. So from all those, we're just gonna choose the Nexus. So let's tell Gemini that we want the Nexus one. So select thinking, go to fast. Nexus one. Let's see what it does. Then we can proceed now the next step of creating the logo. So let's just tell Gemini that we need a logo so it can do its job. Let's see what Gemini will generate. So this is a logo that Gemini has generated. You can use these on your channel. It's not a patented or copyright because you have already seen that it has been generated from scratch. Anyways, that's how you create your tech logo. You need first to break down whatever your channel is about so that you can come and create a logo for your channel. As you can see, this logo explains the name itself. Nexus, dots connecting to each other. Nexus, yeah, something like that. Nexus Tech, where tech meets tomorrow. Anyways, that's how you create your logo. If you understand, if you've followed very well, if it has helped you, please like the video and subscribe. Please do that for me and I'll really appreciate it. Anyways, let's see you in my next video.